Hey YouTube, wake up. Man, I done did this video about 5 times. Seriously, about 5 times. And it's getting annoying because people keep coming through that door. And I keep telling them I'm doing a video and they want to keep walking in there. It's getting annoying. But, anyways, what I have to say is welcome to my page. Welcome. Check out my videos of me singing, most definitely. The, videos of me acting crazy a fool, don't really pay attention to those. You can watch them if you want to. If you want to comment on it, that's cool. But please comment my videos of me singing. Please, I only have 3 right now. And a lot of people have requested songs, and I'm going to get to y'all on that. I'm doing that. I'm working on the songs. I promise you I am. Didn't forget about it. Another thing is, subscribe me. Please subscribe to my page. Please do that for me. Rate the videos. And I thank you guys who send me mail or comments saying, you have a really nice voice, or, you're beautiful, or just nice comments and stuff like that. It means a lot to me. So, yeah, that means a lot to me. You're doing it. If you have any questions on me or anything else, anything you want to know, write me, because I do write you back unless you say something really stupid, like, people who be hating on people, like, y'all don't even be having pictures, like, y'all just talk like a mess, and don't even have a picture of yourself. So, before you talk mess, step your game up, and put a picture of yourself on there, so I can see who's talking mess to me, and other people I'm talking about other people, so they can see who's talking mess about them. You feel me? So, yeah, do that. So, yeah, do that for me. Please do that for me. Comment my videos and stuff like that. That's really important to me. Do that. Let's see, people have asked me a few questions. For those, I'm 16 years old. Yes, I stay in Fairfield, California. If you don't know where that is, that's like near Blair. If you don't know where that is, you guys probably see somewhere, but if you don't know where that is, that's like near Oakland. But if y'all know that, you know where Frisco is, San Francisco, y'all know where it is, so I'll stay about not too far from Frisco, so representing the Bay Area, you feel me? The 707 to the 510. No, I'm just like, but yeah. So please do that, everybody. Thank you to the people who have been supporting me on here. Thank y'all very, very much. So I'm just gonna sing a little song of this gospel song. I love it. It's just gonna be really, just a little bit. My voice is kind of gone, so barely. If I crack. Oh, well, my voice is gone. Okay. Here we go. Left my fear by the side of the road. Hear you speak, won't let go. Fall to my knees as I lift my hands to pray. I got every reason to be here again. Father's love draws me in. And all my eyes wanna see is a glimpse of you. All I need is you. You. All I need is you, Lord. Is you, Lord. All I need is you. You. All I need is you, Lord. Yay. Yeah, just a little bit. My voice is kind of going in and out right now. But yeah, much love to y'all. So, everything I said, check it out. Check my videos out like that. So much love. Don't want to take up any more of your time. Alright, then bye. I love you.